Going on, everybody? Team Wallace new listing, 2713 21st Avenue West, Bradenton, Florida. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with 1,068 square feet under air. It's got 1,728 square feet with a one-car oversized one-car garage, and then it has a closed-in lanai out the back. This house was built in '73. It's listed at $215,000. Let's go inside and take a look. You've got ceramic tile throughout the entire main area of the house. Fresh paint. It's got a split floor plan, so you've got your guest bedroom over here to the right. Storage closet right ahead, or linen closet, and then your guest bathroom. Go back out into the main area. You've got a dining room area, your living room combo, stainless steel appliances, over here to the left when you walk in the front door. You've got your garage, one-car garage area. We'll go out there in a second. This is going to be the master bedroom. Your master bath. The entire backyard has got a wooden privacy fence. Just put up last month, so brand new fencing going on out there. So if you have the need to have a nice fenced in backyard for any of your animals or whatever's going on there, if you have any reason to have a party and have people running around and not worried about them going out to the street or anything like that, this gives you more privacy too. Got a nice backyard here. Again, this house is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,068 square feet under air, 1,728 with the one-car garage and the enclosed lanai area here. We're right in the heart of Bradenton, so you're central to everything. So to get to anywhere is going to be the same amount of time practically. Not far from the beach out here either. You don't have to deal with the traffic of the beach on a regular basis. This house is listed at $215,000. If you have any questions on it, just give me a call. The number is 941-536-4351. Have an awesome day.